For more videos, please subscribe.
Speech on Independence Day. A very good morning to the respected chief guest, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Today is 15th August and we all are gathered here to celebrate today's auspicious day, that is Independence Day of our nation. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I, Miss Neha Sane, would like to speak a few words about today's auspicious day. Every year we celebrate this day with great enthusiasm and joy because our country got freedom on 15 August 1947 from the British rule. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. On this day, the Prime Minister hosts the Indian Red Flag at Red Fort in Delhi and he highlights the past year achievements, raises important issues and calls for further development. He pays tribute to the leaders of the Indian independence movement. The Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana is sung. All India celebrates this by flag hosting and singing of Jana Gana Mana. Before got independence, British has ruled our country for around 150 years. So 15 August is the great and most significant day for all Indians. Today we have freedom in almost all fields like sports, education, technology, business, transportation, etc. This day reminds us about struggle of great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Veer Savarkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, etc., who devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. We can never forget the sacrifices of the Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, who had lost their lives for fighting for our country. And result, long years of struggle came in front on 15 August 1947 when India got freedom. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. We also have full rights to choose our government. We all are very fortunate that we took birth in an independent India. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifices. Today, our country is a well-established democratic country all over the world. As being a responsible citizen of our country, we should be responsible to protect our country. We should give tribute to our real nation heroes like Army, Navy, Air Force and Police. It is our responsibility to make our country as the best country in the world. Thank you.